First activity namin for the day after breakfast ay ang Sun World Fansipan Legend. I booked this entire Fansipan journey through Klook. Round trip combo na po yun. Sapa Station, first leg ng aming Fansipan World. Sun World Fansipan Legend. I don't see why you wouldn't get the round trip combo ticket if you're a first timer in Sapa. Picture mo to? When I say round-trip combo ticket, I mean it includes the funicular train, cable car, and peak tram. I'm saying this because there's an option to skip the funicular train and go straight to the cable car. Highland Coffee! I paid 3,078 sa ticket. So, ang first leg ay ang funicular train or ang tinatawag na Muanghua Funicular. Not sure if I pronounce it correctly, but dead ma. Bakit?
Walang fog.
Oo. Tara na. Ay, walang upuan, ma. Wala ka na maupuan. This is in Sun Plaza, Sapa Center, very near sa Stone Church. By the way, may ticketing office din dito sa Sun Plaza. May Starbucks din. As I mentioned earlier, there's an option to skip this ride and go straight to the cable car. Tatayo ka naman eh. Gusto mo maupo? Siyempre. Standing?
Yes, standing.
There's another one?
Yes, another one is about
15 minutes. Senior? Eh, nakaupo na sila eh.
If you standing only 7 minutes, it will take you to go up.
Standing 7 minutes.
Yes. Now, also,
Later, 15 minutes. Just take a taxi from Sapa Center and get dropped off at Huang Lian Station. Ayoko, ikaw na magbasa niyan. Best start early morning, 7:30 to beat the crowds. 7 minutes ang duration ng funicular ride.
Paano nagsasalubong sila?
Siguro...
Maybe.
Tingnan mo, tinatanggal mo rin eh.
Hindi kasi nga nadudulas na. Hindi ko ito matanggal ko.
Ang dulas.
Kasi mo may ano.
May ganyan ka pala. Alin? Ay, teka muna ma. Harit na tayo.
bakit?
I booked this without checking the weather online and that's my fault. Foggy at walang makita sa funicular ride namin, even yung pabalik. When I checked the weather for the entire trip, may 2 araw na sunny. This is one of the activities na kailangan sunny talaga para makita mo magagandang view. Oh, ang ganda! Wow, ang dami nakikita! So nice!
Bulag-bulag. Asa na ka totem? Ayan ha. Kanino?
Isa din sa mga activities na dapat sunny at walang fog ay yung glass bridge. So I recommend that you check the weather for the entire week before booking po.
Wala talaga.
Di ano din katulad natin.
Fantastic.
Wala.
Wala yung mayaw.
Na-shy si kuya, charot-charot. Di na, ang dami namin nakikita. Sobra. Ay, hindi ko nakita nakasalubong natin. Ayun, wala na. Tapos mag-merge. Mag-merge. Ay, may part na nag-split siya, tapos mag-merge pala.
Ano to ka na government o private?
Private siguro. Or government siguro. Ha, yun. Ano pang binibidyo-bidyo ko? Yan na. Oh, tama. 7 minutes. Charot.